Using a 1/4-inch bit, pre-drill a hole in the panel for each fastener. Use an adjustable torque screw gun to prevent the over-tightening of fasteners. Never leave sun-tough panels unattached on the roof, as they may blow off. Attach panel to the purlins using wood-tight fasteners with EPDM washers. Install one screw on the crown of every other corrugation. Make sure the rubber washer touches the panel, but do not over-tighten the screw, which can cause the panel to dimple or the washer to compress. Be sure to drive fasteners perpendicular to the panel surface. A correctly installed fastener sits flush against the panel. Do not install screws in the last corrugation of each panel until the next panel has been properly positioned to overlap it, or until the last panel has been installed.